Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today I'm still in my gym jams. I have just brushed my hair kind of because it was looking, well, slept in. Today we are going to do a little experiment. I have jumped on the old bandwagon of the digital microscope. I bought this off of Amazon a couple of days ago. It's up to 1,000 times zoom. Yesterday I was playing with it for absolutely hours, looking at how disgusting my skin was. So I have just got out of bed. I have not put any lotions on. I have not put any cleansing on. I have not cleaned my face at all. I've done nothing. So I just thought it would be fun to have a good look at what we're dealing with, and then I'm going to go and wash my face and see what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so this is the little gadget here. You've got a little slider, which takes it to 50 times zoom up to 1,000 times zoom. It's got some LED lights and a little cover there, and I don't know whether you can see. Let me turn the lights off. Right, there you go, I've turned the lights off. So I don't know whether you can see, when you turn that, that little middle bit, the camera zooms in and out. And then I've got it hooked up to my computer so I can see exactly what is going on, and I'm going to be recording it and taking pictures. It's got a little picture that says snap, so I assume that's to take a picture, but I just do it on my computer. Let me zoom you in a little bit. So let's have a look. Obviously my skin has been slept in. We're just going to concentrate mainly in this area, maybe the forehead. Because that's where I've got the most amount of pores. Maybe on the chin there though. Yeah, okay. Well, we're just going to have a look at various parts of my face. But if I look at my skin, I can't see. Oh, I need a mirror, and I can't really see any pores. I've got a couple of capillaries around my nose. On my actual nose, I can see, if I look close up, some pores. And on my chin here. Okay, so this is my cheek area. Let me zoom out slightly. Oh, zoom in. Right, I zoomed right. Goes a little bit blurry. Oh, what's that there? Bit of glitter. Oh yeah, I see that. Hair. What's that? Wow, I'm like one of the Cullens. I'm so glittery. Those are freckles. Yep, freckles. Oh my god, what is that hair? Is that attached? There's nothing there. Let's get in. Oh my god, look. Can you see that pore? And that one. There's a capillary. that? Oh, good God. Oh, look at that. That is a paw. Right, let's have a look at the chin thing down here. Oh, there's a hair. Oh my God, look at the size of that hair. The actual hair. The tiny little baby hairs. It looks like a jungle down there. There's a paw. Oh, what is that? Friggin' hell is that? Is that like a bug? No, it can't be a bug. Oh God, please move. I want you to move. Oh, what is that? Seeping out. Oh, gross. Okay, I'm going to use the simple cleansing facial wipes. Oh, I didn't do my forehead, did I? Did I do my forehead? Wait. Let me just quickly do my forehead. Okay, so this is between my brows. A few hairs there. It's very shiny. Very shiny. Going into my eyebrow. You can see my freckles. Black dots of dirt, I suppose. I don't know. Oh, a random hair there. What is that? What is that? Let's go up into my hairline. Oh, look at those hair follicles. Oh. Is that normal hair follicles? Oh, look at that. What is that? I really want to find something crawling around. That's disgusting, I know, but that'd be amazing. I just want to get in there and... Oh, is that a blackhead? No. Teeny tiny one. I just want to get in there and squeeze all of those. Okay, so I'm just gonna cleanse my face with just a cleansing wipe. Cleansing wipe really isn't that dirty. And let's have a look. So we'll do the chin. Honestly, does not look much different, to be honest. We're gonna look at this nose crevice area. Come on. Ooh, gross. Okay, running over to the cheek. That's not my hair. That's my... It's tiny! Oh, what is that? Ew, gross. I want to get right on the top of my nose, but oh, look at that. Look at my moustache. Oh, look. Straight away, find a hair. Beautiful, lovely. Okay, so it's safe to say that just using a cleansing wipe does not... Oh, I feel neat, I should wipe. Just using a cleansing wipe does not clean your face properly. I'm gonna go and wash my face. Let's have a look and see. Let's see the areas now after being washed. So, my chin. That's a questionable hair thing. Doesn't look like it's actually growing out of anything. Oh, what is that? Like that. Oh. I don't know, would you say that was cleaner? Okay. The nose. Or by the side of the nose. Come on. Zoom in. After it being washed. Okay, so during the excitement of looking at those dirty pores, blocked pores, hair follicles and all that grossness, my battery died and I didn't even notice because I was too busy playing. I don't recommend doing this if you are obsessive with like cleaning and things. Do you know what I mean? Because you could look and you'll be like, oh my god, it's still dirty. You could get overly obsessive. You really could. But obviously, I don't think my skin was actually that bad. It's still gross, it's still disgusting, but at the end of the day, everyone's skin is like that. Everyone has, you all have hair everywhere, you all have pores all blocked and dirt, and you have stuff that you can't see, you cannot see. Some of those things that are on my face, I can't see them. Not even looking up close in a mirror, I can't see them, but this little thing can get right on in there. So it was the first time me recording it, so hopefully it's okay, it's come out alright. I'm new to this and yes, it is exciting. It was fun. I enjoyed that. I love dirty, skanky, icky stuff. I love looking up close to things, so you know, when we were kids, when I was younger, I used to have a actual microscope and we used to look at fleas and hairs, fly wings, fly legs, spiders' legs, bits of dust that you'd find, random things that you would find. I used to look under there. It's amazing, so much fun. So interesting. I'm a bit disappointed I did not find a bug or something crawling or something that disgusting, but I think to be able to see something like that, which I do believe we probably have got things on us like that, you probably need a lot times, so a lot more. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was fun. Don't get too grossed out by it. It's, you know, but just remember to wash regularly and do your things to help prevent all that grossness. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm sorry you saw so up close to me today. So, anyway, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all later. Bye!